1. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $15,000. Located Altus, Oklahoma. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a serious muscle car built with performance as its primary focus. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this classic Chevrolet carries the aggressive attitude of a former drag racing machine while remaining an exciting project for enthusiasts who appreciate raw American horsepower. With approximately 1,000 miles on the freshly rebuilt drivetrain, the car offers strong mechanical potential and impressive performance credentials. Under the hood sits a powerful 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt less than 1,000 miles ago, providing confidence for the next owner. The combination delivers the kind of torque and acceleration that made big block Novas legendary among muscle car fans. Because the vehicle was previously used as a drag car, the interior has been stripped down for weight reduction and performance. It does not include air conditioning or heating, staying true to its racing heritage. The lightweight setup enhances the car's aggressive character and performance-focused design. For buyers seeking a genuine big block Nova with fresh mechanical components and classic muscle car appeal, this 1970 Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding opportunity. It is a powerful, attention-grabbing machine ready for cruising, showing, or further customization. 2. 1968 Chevrolet SS Chevelle Malibu. Price, $27,000. Located Louisville, Kentucky. The 1968 Chevrolet SS Chevelle Malibu is an impressive American muscle car that combines iconic styling with exceptional big block performance. Finished in beautiful red paint with a black interior, this true SS model stands out as one of the most desirable Chevrolet muscle cars of its era. With approximately 18,000 miles shown, the vehicle remains a highly attractive option for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a massive 502 cubic inch Chevrolet engine topped with a 6-71 supercharger and dual freshly rebuilt 750 Holley carburetors. This combination delivers tremendous horsepower and creates an unmistakable appearance whenever the hood is opened. Despite its incredible performance potential, the seller states the vehicle has never been raced and has recently undergone a fresh build. Originally a California car, the Chevelle has spent most of its life in a favorable climate before recently relocating to the south. The vehicle only requires a windshield and carpet installation, with the remaining parts already included in the trunk. This true SS Chevelle offers classic styling, powerful supercharged performance, and strong investment potential. It represents an excellent opportunity to own a legendary American muscle car at an attractive price. 3. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door. Price, $16,000. Located Russellville, Arkansas. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Finished in black and showing only a few hundred miles since completion, this Malibu has been carefully assembled using quality racing components to deliver consistent performance at the track. The car is solid, competitive, and ready to race immediately. Power comes from a strong 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built around a dark performance block. Additional performance upgrades include RHS cylinder heads and a Dominator carburetor, creating a combination capable of producing impressive horsepower. Power is transferred through a 2-speed Powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake for quick and consistent launches. The rear axle features an 8.5-inch 10-bolt housing with strange axles, spool, Richmond gears, and a C-clip eliminator kit. The suspension system includes a trick chassis anti-roll bar and upgraded rear control arms. Strange front disc brakes and tubular control arms further improve handling and safety. Capable of running approximately 6.70 seconds in the eighth mile, this Malibu is an excellent choice for racers seeking a proven drag car with strong performance credentials and dependable race-ready equipment. 4. 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street. Price, $32,000. Located Tipton, Indiana. The 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street is a bold and aggressive Mopar muscle car built to deliver both show-stopping looks and serious street performance. Known as one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, the Challenger has long been a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts, and this Pro Street example takes that reputation to another level. Built with a focus on performance and attitude, the the car offers a commanding presence wherever it goes. This Challenger has been assembled as a complete package and is being offered together with all associated components. The vehicle presents the unmistakable styling that made the 1970 model year one of the most desirable in Mopar history. Its wide stance, muscular body lines, and performance-oriented setup create an appearance that attracts attention at every cruise night and car event. The car remains in good condition and provides an excellent foundation for continued enjoyment or further customization. Whether displayed at local shows, driven on the street, or added to a collection of classic American muscle cars, this Challenger delivers the character and excitement enthusiasts expect. For buyers seeking a genuine pro-street Mopar with strong visual appeal and classic muscle car heritage, this 1970 Dodge Challenger represents an outstanding opportunity. 5. 1971 Mustang Drag Car Roller. Price, $9,500. Located Gillespie, Illinois. The 1971 Mustang Drag Car Roller is a well-equipped racing chassis designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts looking to build a competitive machine. This purpose-built roller features a mild steel safety cage and an NHRA-certified tube front structure, making it an excellent foundation for a high-performance race car project. The vehicle has been carefully assembled with quality components throughout and is ready for an engine and transmission package. The rear end features a Ford 9-inch housing equipped with 5.14 Pro gears, strange spool, Moser 35 spline axles, and upgraded bearings. Additional racing hardware includes Willwood disc brakes, a strange driveshaft, A&M Pro stick shifter, and a Shiftnoid electric shift solenoid. The car also includes a K&R wiring harness, switch panel, MSD ignition components, and a Denver delay box. Fuel delivery is handled through a 5-gallon fuel cell and stainless braided fuel lines. New racing slicks have fewer than 20 passes and remain in excellent condition. The vehicle is currently configured for a big block Ford and Powerglide setup. This Mustang offers racers a strong, race-ready platform with premium components already installed and significant value for the investment. 6. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe. Price, $19,900. Located Bay City, Michigan. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is an exciting pro-street project that offers a fantastic opportunity to build a powerful custom muscle car. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this classic Camaro retains the aggressive styling that has made the 1969 model one of the most sought-after American performance cars ever produced. The vehicle is being offered as a roller, providing an ideal starting point for enthusiasts looking to install their preferred drivetrain combination. The car already includes several important performance upgrades that add significant value to the project. A heavy-duty Dana 60 rear axle has been installed to handle substantial horsepower, while a new fuel cell and radiator with fan assembly are already in place. A new power brake booster has also been fitted to improve braking performance and reliability. Inside, the Camaro includes late-model SS leather seats that add comfort and a modern touch. New RS taillights have been installed, enhancing the vehicle's appearance while maintaining its classic Chevrolet character. With a clean title and a solid foundation for customization, this Camaro represents an excellent opportunity to create a unique pro-street cruiser or high-performance street machine. 7. 1957 Chevrolet Gasser. Price, $32,500. Located Hoxie, Kansas. The 1957 Chevrolet Gasser is a classic American drag racing icon that captures the spirit of the golden age of hot rodding. Finished in an attractive green exterior, this custom-built Chevrolet combines timeless Terrify styling with impressive performance upgrades. The aggressive stance and unmistakable appearance make it a standout vehicle at car shows, cruise nights, and vintage racing events. Power comes from a strong 383 cubic-inch stroker V8 engine, a popular choice among performance enthusiasts due to its excellent balance of horsepower, torque, and reliability. Paired with an automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivers strong acceleration while remaining enjoyable to drive. The engine setup provides the deep exhaust note and powerful performance expected from a properly built gasser. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains ready for cruising, showing, or weekend enjoyment. Its classic body design, combined with the elevated front-end stance traditionally associated with gasser builds, creates an appearance that instantly attracts attention. For collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate vintage drag racing culture, this 1957 Chevrolet Gasser offers an excellent opportunity to own a unique piece of American automotive history with proven V8 performance and timeless appeal. 8. 1986 Ford Ranger Pickup. Price, $14,000. Located Holland, Iowa. The 1986 Ford Ranger pickup is a purpose-built drag racing truck engineered for consistent performance and reliability on the track. Although it retains the recognizable appearance of a compact Ford pickup, this vehicle has been transformed into a serious race machine using high-quality performance components throughout the drivetrain and chassis. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt Ford 331-stroker engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission and torque converter that have not seen any racing action since being refreshed. The engine features a Dart SHP block, Eagle crankshaft, Scat H-beam connecting rods, SRP pistons, bullet camshaft, solid roller lifters, Ford Racing X302 cylinder heads, Victor Jr. intake manifold, and a Demon carburetor. The transmission includes a full manual reverse pattern valve body with trans brake capability, while the rear suspension utilizes ladder bars, coilover shocks, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. Additional equipment includes a Beyond Omega 450 delay box and professional racing hardware throughout. Capable of running 7-second eighth-mile times, this Ranger offers impressive performance in a lightweight package. It is an outstanding choice for racers seeking a competitive and well-prepared drag racing truck. 9. 1971 Dodge Dart Demon. Price, $16,500. Located Columbus, Ohio. The 1971 Dodge Dart Demon is a unique muscle car project that combines classic Mopar styling with serious big block Chevrolet power. Finished in bright yellow, this eye-catching vehicle has recently undergone extensive mechanical upgrades and offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful street or strip machine. The aggressive appearance and performance-oriented setup make it a standout choice among classic muscle car projects. Under the hood sits a massive 482 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a freshly rebuilt TH400 automatic transmission. The transmission rebuild is documented with paperwork, providing additional confidence for the next owner. Numerous new components have been installed, including a fuel pump, radiator, transmission cooler, water pump, tires, and R wiring system, and driveshaft. A high-performance 4500 stall converter further enhances the vehicle's drag racing potential. The car has recently been completed but has not yet made a pass down the track. It does require installation of the transmission tunnel and is missing the rear trunk lid, making it an ideal finishing project for a hands-on enthusiast. With impressive horsepower potential and many new components already installed, this Dodge Demon offers excellent value and exciting possibilities. 10. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Split Bumper. Price, $49,500. Located Sallisaw, Oklahoma. The 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Split Bumper is a beautifully built custom muscle car that combines aggressive styling with exceptional performance. Finished in stunning candy brandy wine paint and complemented by a black interior, this Camaro immediately commands attention wherever it appears. The iconic split bumper front end remains one of the most recognizable designs in Camaro history, making this vehicle especially desirable among collectors and enthusiasts. Power comes from a strong 383 cubic inch stroker engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 5.0 gearing, delivering impressive acceleration and performance. A tunnel ram intake system fitted with custom Holley carburetors provides both outstanding visual appeal and increased power potential. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, large Hoosier rear tires, weld racing wheels, new seats, a new steering wheel, and a new Optima battery. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition throughout. Built for both show and performance, this Camaro offers a combination of classic American muscle car styling and modern hot rod engineering. It is a turnkey pro street machine ready for cruising, exhibitions, and weekend enjoyment. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Price, $25,000. Located Norman, Oklahoma. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS is a professionally constructed race chassis designed for enthusiasts seeking a high-performance drag racing platform. Widely regarded as one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, this Camaro has been transformed into a lightweight competition-focused machine capable of handling substantial horsepower in future performance upgrades. The chassis was built by Blue Fire Motorsports and features an extensive list of premium racing components. Highlights include a MOLLE-certified cage with funny car-style protection, a 4-link rear suspension, wishbone setup, anti-roll bar, FAB9 rear end, 40-spline axles, and strange center section with performance gearing. The vehicle is designed to accommodate extremely large rear tires, providing excellent traction for high-horsepower applications. Additional equipment includes aerospace brakes, AFCO big gun rear shocks, QA1 front suspension components, aluminum interior panels, custom wing, fuel cell system, and brand new rear glass. The steel roof, doors, and quarter panels maintain the car's classic appearance, while fiberglass body components reduce weight and improve performance. With a clear title and numerous new components, this Camaro offers an exceptional foundation for building a competitive race car or extreme street machine. 12. 1987 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Price, $6,000. Located Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1987 Ford Mustang GT Coupe is a highly modified Fox body race car project designed for serious drag racing performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Mustang features thousands of dollars in performance upgrades and race-prepared equipment. It has been professionally assembled to handle substantial horsepower while maintaining the lightweight characteristics that have made Fox body Mustangs legendary at racetracks across America. The vehicle is equipped with an NHRA-certified roll cage, 4-link rear suspension, built 8.8 rear axle, aftermarket driveshaft, Pro-Mod front crossmember, and frame connectors. Additional racing equipment includes a racepack data logger, MSD grid ignition system, dual-stage fuel pumps, nitrous preparation components, bottle heaters, dual batteries, fuel pressure regulators, transmission cooler, oil cooler, and upgraded radiator system. The Mustang currently does not include an engine or transmission, allowing the next owner to select the ideal powertrain combination. Lexan windows, weld racing wheels, legal street and strip tires, and extensive wiring upgrades further increase the vehicle's value and performance potential. With a clean title and race-ready foundation, this Fox body Mustang offers an affordable opportunity to build an extremely competitive drag racing machine.